Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with blocking a number from your contact list. We have to open our contacts, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And here we've got this option, block numbers. So let's tap. Your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so simply tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, so the information that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this option and tap on unblock. However, let me block it. Because we will check if it will appear on the blacklist, which we will enter in the second way of blocking the number. It does not really matter whether it will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, one of those numbers is connected with the contact we blocked. Here we can also add another number. Just tap on add a number, and here you can enter the number you want to block. Tap on block and it will immediately appear on the list. What is more, we've got this option unknown, which means that you can block the calls from all unidentified callers just by using the switcher to activate it and tap on it again to turn it off. If you want to unblock the number, tap on this X button and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.